I hope you are all well. Today I have a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced videos on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube videos. In this video you will find many kitchen designs which are very beautiful. People can make and sell such kitchens at home and start their own small business. There is also lots of demand of kitchens. Most people put the kitchen in their school bags or university college bag, which also looks very beautiful. You can make many things with knitting, such as shoulder bag, mobile holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything, you just need to know how to make knitting. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. You can also customize many of Instagram pages according to your ideas, according to your mind, and according to your budget. I have put together a lots of designs and ideas for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are cute and mini animals, kitchens, flowers and sunflower. Which kitchen do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And which designs will I bring in the next video? If you just want to make a basic kitchen and you are making one for the first time, I will suggest you make flowers, heart shapes, squares